Hey everyone! If you're diving into crypto in 2025 and need to transfer your USDC from Metamask to Robinhood, you're in the perfect spot. USDC is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and moving it between wallets like Metamask and Robinhood can help you manage your investments more flexibly. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can do it quickly and safely. Let's get started. First, make sure you have both Metamask and Robinhood set up on your device. You'll need some USDC in your Metamask wallet, and Robinhood should be linked to your account. Remember, crypto transfers involve blockchain networks, so always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Open your Metamask app or extension and ensure you're on the Ethereum network. That's where USDC lives in 2025. If you're not, switch networks from the top of the interface. Step 2. In Metamask, go to your assets and select the USDC token. You'll see your balance there. Pick the amount you want to transfer. Step 3. Tap on the Send button. Now, you need Robinhood's wallet address. Head over to the Robinhood app, navigate to your crypto section, and find the deposit option for USDC. Copy that address carefully. Step 4. Back in Metamask, paste the Robinhood address into the recipient field. Enter the USDC amount, and review the transaction details, including any network fees. These fees can vary, so keep an eye on them to avoid surprises. Step 5. Hit Confirm and sign the transaction with your Metamask wallet. You'll need to verify it with your password or biometric auth. This is your security step. Step 6. Once sent, switch back to Robinhood and refresh your account. It might take a few minutes for the USDC to appear due to blockchain confirmations. In 2025, some platforms might have faster options, so check for any updates. And there you have it. Your USDC is now in Robinhood. Always verify addresses and use secure connections to protect your funds. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Thanks for watching.